Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion for beginners. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that helps you take notes, manage tasks, organize projects, and collaborate with others. Let's get started. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the sidebar on the left. This is where you can access your pages, search content, and manage your workspace. To create a new page, click the plus icon next to your workspace or a section such as Private in the left sidebar. Give your page a name such as My Notes or Project Planner. Now, click anywhere on the page and start typing. One of Notion's most useful features is the slash command. Simply type slash on your keyboard to open the block menu. From here, you can add different types of content, including headings, text, bulleted lists, to-do lists, tables, images, callouts, and code blocks. For example, type /to-do list and press Enter to create a checklist. You can add tasks and check them off as you complete them. To organize information, type /table and choose a table database option. Tables are useful for tracking tasks, managing projects, and storing information. Notion automatically saves your work, so there's no need to click a Save button. As you continue using Notion, you can create more pages and organize them in the sidebar for easy access. And that's it. That's the basic way to use Notion as a beginner. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.